Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, also the financial capital of India. It is the most populous city in India with a population of approximately 20.5 million. It is known for its chic restaurants, hip western style bars which offer a wide choice of cuisine like continental, Chinese, and numerous Indian dishes. Renowned as a queen of Indian city, Mumbai is also known for roadside snacks such as vada pav, bhel puri, pani puri, Chinese bhel, and many more. Many people eat at the roadside stalls. Therefore, these vendors make a lot of profit and business.
The business has a lot of scope over here since people like to go and have this dish. The business is quite good over here.
One of the specialty and the most common roadside snack is pani puri. Pani puri has several names in other states, like in Delhi it is called Golgappa, and in Gujarat it is called Pakodi. Pani puri is a round puffed up puri filled with a mixture of tamarind water, chili, chaat masala, chickpeas and potatoes. It is small enough to fit completely in one's mouth. Pani puri originated from Magadh region, today known as South Bihar. Some of the pani puri vendors serve cold pani puri where they add ice in the pungent chaat water to make it cold. Typically 6 pani puris are served in a small plate one at a time by the roadside vendors. Customers hold a small plate and stand around the server's cart. The server then starts making one pani puri at a time and gives one to each individual. Pani puri vendors, also called as pani puri wala, remember each customer's preferences such as sweetened pani, tikka pani or medium pani, which is a mixture of sweet and tikka pani. At the same time, servers also keep a track of how many puris each person has had even when serving a lot of people. Pani puri has been the most common evening snack in the city of Mumbai. Some vendors also serve some other popular evening snacks like bhel puri, sev puri, and dahi puri. Pani puri has been the specialty of Mumbai city for the last 40 years.
Pani puri can be related to the city Mumbai because I feel Pani puri gives an identity to the city of Mumbai. Many people come to Bombay and the first thing that they think about chaats and what comes to their mind is Pani puri. That's how I feel, it has an identity and it's very closely related to the city of Mumbai.
जैसे दिल्ली में गोलगप्पे फेमस है, उससे पता मुंबई में पानी पूरी काफी फेमस है और समुद्र किनारे का अलग ही मजा होता है जो कि दिल्ली में हमें ये आनंद नहीं मिलता। जैसे ठंडी के महीने में हमें गर्म खाने की इच्छा होती है, कुछ तले हुए चीज को खाने की इच्छा होती है, लेकिन समुद्र किनारे 12 महीना हमेशा ठंडी हवा चलती है, इसलिए हमें कुछ तीखा खाने की इच्छा होती है और पानी पूरी ही सबसे बेटर देन है।
It is not only consumed by the small kids and families, but also college students as well as the corporate group. So basically, Pani Puri is eaten by most of the Mumbaikars staying in Mumbai.
All the evening goers from Mumbai would prefer to eat Pani Puri.
But for some people, there is no connection between the city and Pani Puri, where they feel it's just a normal chaat.
When I would
not say that there is any connection or relation between Mumbai and Pani Puri, as you get it all over India. So there isn't any connection. But yeah, we do. Everybody in Mumbai likes Pani Puri because of its taste.
I don't have to relate Pani Puri with the Mumbai, but yes, somehow it's every people enjoying this dish. It's one of the very affordable dish for poor people also and for rich people also. And yes, it's just you cannot relate Pani Puri with the Mumbai, but you can say this will be like the enjoying factor of dish. That's all.
Well, nothing really special about Pani Puri. It's just a chaat, just a normal chaat. Mumbai is more of a place for vada pav than Pani Puri.
Pani Puri will be a second option. First option is vada pav. I prefer vada pav than Pani Puri.
There are many reasons why people in Mumbai like to eat the chaat.
Speciality of Pani Puri is we get a sukha puri after each plate.
Pani Puri as such is one of the best junk food eaten. It can be eaten with different fillings, as well as it has its own chatpata taste which suits the palates of Mumbaikars. And it can be eaten with a gulp. That's the best thing about it.
I like Pani Puri because it's sweet and spicy.
Chatpata feel, that's all. The chatpata and crispy feel, that a little sweet, a little sour, a little salty, a little crispy. So I think all these elements and all this flavor, just feels good for a person. That's why they enjoy this Pani Puri.
The one speciality about Pani Puri is the kind of item that it is. It is such a tasty thing that you can have. It's so easily available. The color, the smell, the aroma that it brings along with it, it makes the person really crave to have Pani Puri.
Usually whenever we eat food or snacks, we would like to quench the thirst, digest it with water or liquid or beverage. And whenever we go home from 1 to 7 o'clock, we have got nothing to eat. So when we come to the roadside vendors, they are giving lovely snacks like butter vada, Pani Puri. But most of them you see there around the Pani Puri sellers. In my opinion, it serves liquid and solid. Pani, the word water in Marathi, and solid is that puri. In this puri, they have put some ingredients called galda, especially prepared galda. A spoonful of it is added into it, and then the whole thing, the puri serves as a cup, which is dipped into the water, which is specially prepared chaat masala and milk, and which is offered to the customer on a small plate. And he pops it in his mouth, he relishes it, chews it, and wants more. And the vendor is ready to serve him. It's a question of 3 seconds. That's all. So this is a very good light snack to satisfy the thirst as well as a little bit of hunger that may have come.
Pani Puri is found in almost every street corner in the city. So many vendors depend upon this chaat business as it is their source of income.
2.5-3 बरस के बाद पूरी कॉलोनी के लोग आए, बोले यहाँ नहीं खड़ा रहने को, टोटल 40-50 आदमी। तो बोला साहब ठीक है, कोई ज़बरदस्ती नहीं है, आपने तो सहूलियत में अपना कचरा छीन के डस्टबिन में डाल के जाता हूँ, खड़ा रहने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। आप बोलोगे तो भाई ज़बरदस्ती वाली बात नहीं है। डॉक्टर हो सकती, वो 6 नंबर बिल्डिंग में रहते थे, वो आए, उनके बच्चे वगैरह भेल खाते थे। तो बोले क्या हो गया यादव? बोला साहब ऐसी की बात। तो बोले अच्छा मैं बात करता हूँ। तो गए सब लोगों के, बोले एक पुराना है, इसको रहने दो, नए को मत आने दो। उसी में मतलब बिल्ली के गले में घंटी बांधने वाले, उसकी पहचान वाले भी थे। बोले हाँ हाँ ठीक है। तो देखो, बोले किसी को आने, बोले देखो साहब हमारे बाप का रोड नहीं है, मैं तो खुद अपनी रोजी के लिए बोल रहा हूँ।
there are several reasons why people think of Pani Puri as a good option for roadside snack business.
मेरा ओरिजिन धंधे का भेल और सेव पूरी, तो मैं 15, 16, 17 साल खिलाया, तो लोग बोले भैया पानी पूरी, मतलब अपने ही ग्राहक कि आप रखेंगे तो अच्छा रखें, कुछ ऐसा दूर जाना पड़ा, थोड़ा दही पूरी पानी पूरी रखना चालू किया। वैरायटी की वजह से पानी पूरी, क्या जैसे आप यही है भेल खाते खाते कंटाल, चलो पानी पूरी खा लेते।
These roadside vendors face problems when BMC officials on round confiscate their goods as most of the stalls are illegal.
हम रोड पे धंधा करने के सोचे म्यूनिसिपलिटी देखो, बीएमसी जो यहाँ के पहचान के हैं, सब लोग यहाँ के ऐसा कुछ नहीं, कोई पहचान वाला नहीं है। मेरे को पुलिस कभी 10 पैसा नहीं दिया, ना तो ये तो उनका काम है भैया इधर करो उधर करो, डंडा फटकाने वाला, तो उसके हिसाब से अपना कर लेते हैं। और कितने दिन उसके पास शिकायत लेके जाएंगे। और बिदर का अशोक बिदरकर एलआर साहब के साथ, वो डीएमसी इधर के बने, उनके बच्चे मेन साहब सब खाते हैं, तो कब म्यूनसिपालिटी कभी उनसे बोला नहीं साहब मेरे को, क्यों कितना दिन बोलूँगा, मैं तो रोज में हूँ ना। डब्बा उधर सर पे उठाता तभी डर चालू हो जाती, म्यूनसिपालिटी आएगी, पुलिस आएगी, वो भाई आएंगे, 2 गाली दे के जाएंगे, उनका भी सुनना पड़ेगा। उसको सोच के ही आया, शाम को जब भी जाता थोड़ा कुछ धंधा होगा, चलो सुकून से अपना दिन निकल।
There has been issues about these vendors not being hygienic. For some Mumbaikars it is a matter of concern, but for some it isn't any issue.
Yeah, I trust the vendors because nowadays you can't find anything that hygienic. Even the vegetables you get at home are tampered.
Definitely, I will see first. When I'm going to be having a pani puri, I'll just check it out which location or which area it is. And yes, it do matters a lot, a little hygiene. Hygiene thing has to be there, especially for the pani puri.
I have lost complete trust in the vendors, considering the incidents that have been happening in Mumbai.
I like homemade pani puri because it's more hygienic than the roadside pani puri.
I don't trust the vendors because they are absolutely not hygienic. God knows what water they use, and they don't have gloves in their hands. So
The chaat is good, but it is unhygienic when you eat on the road. I always prefer to eat it at my homemade chaat.
However, the incident that took place in the first week of April was a horrifying revelation of some malpractices and negligence in the Pani Puri business, which left all connected to Pani Puri in shock and nauseating awe. This incident took place in Thane district when a 19-year-old college student, Ankita Rani, had taken a video of a Pani Puri wala named Rajdev Lakhan Chauhan urinating into a vessel which he used to serve customers.
त्यांनी खूप चांगलं आश्वासन दिले की ही जी आज समस्या आपल्या समोर आहे त्याला नक्कीच ते खूप चांगल्या प्रमाणे सपोर्ट करतील किंवा म्हणजे तो प्रश्न जो आहे तो नक्कीच सर्वांसमोर किंवा जनतेच्या हिशोबाने चांगला त्याला प्रतिसाद देतील. पहिले तर शाबासकी दिली की असा चांगला व्हिडिओ तुम्ही केलात म्हणून आणि ते म्हणाले की हा जो प्रश्न आहे तो आपण नक्कीच सर्वांसमोर ठेवू. 4 दिवस म्हणजे त्याला आधी नोटीस केलं की तो असं घाणेरडे चाळे करत होता. मग मी घरी सांगितलं, आजूबाजूला सांगितलं, पण कोणाचा माझ्यावर विश्वास नव्हता बसला. मग नंतर म्हटलं की ह्याचा जर व्हिडिओ केला तर जास्त चांगलं होईल आणि म्हणून मी तो व्हिडिओ केला आणि सर्वांना दाखवला आणि त्याच्यामुळे सगळ्यांनाच कळलं की कसं आणि काय काय.
The video not only went viral on YouTube, but it also kicked up political storm. The police let him off with a fine of ₹1,200 and a warning. But the political parties like MNS, Shiv Sena and Samajwadi Party made Mumbai street food a political issue. Eminence activists assaulted street food vendors in parts of Mumbai and Thane. Only the roadside Pani Puri walas were targeted. The restaurants selling Pani Puri were unharmed as it was assumed that they maintained standards. Places like Kolaba, Churchgate, Dadar, Girgaon Chowpatty, Bandra, Andheri, Borivali, Thane and other areas were targeted. Over 100 Pani Puri stalls were forced to shut down by the Shiv Sena-led Thane Municipal Corporation.
In my opinion, banning was good. For that particular moment of time, I did not go to see any other implications. But it was very unhygienic of certain person who was selling the Pani Puri. So what happened? Just because of one person making a glaring mistake or unhygienic way of doing things, it has affected the whole lot of Pani Puri sellers, not only Pani Puri sellers, even the other stall sellers. The whole thing was destroyed by the politicians. And public made a hue and cry about this. It came in the papers. When I read that, I also was of the opinion it should be banned.
I got to know about it from the newspapers, and what I feel about it, it was a serious breach of trust. The people who really trusted the person selling Pani Puri since ages over there just broke their trust, and because of one person I feel the entire Mumbai is affected. For that matter, the business of those people who have tried their level best to keep up to the stall and yet sell it in, whatever hygienic way possible, that has completely gone down. And you can't really win a person's trust after it has been broken.
That's why, it's like I'm focusing on the hygiene things, because previously everybody used to have Pani Puri on normal stalls, okay, but right now the people are actually getting into the good stalls and they make the Pani Puri. They're checking out the space, they're checking out which place and how that bhaiya is doing that Pani Puri, where his hand is, and so all these things are there, okay, yes, all the people are aware of the incident and that's why they are taking precaution.
Yeah, it has changed my view. Anyways, I don't have Pani Puri nowadays because of that. So yeah, that incident has really changed my mind.
And while Mumbaikar must have been disgusted by the video, banning stall in the city synonymous with street food was a big question.
हर आदमी जैसा नहीं होता, कहीं बाई चांस किसी से गलती हो जाती है, उसमें से कोई पर्सन कर सकता है, हो सकता है उसकी गलती, लेकिन इतना बड़ा इश्यू नहीं करनी चाहिए. और पानी पूरी एक्चुअली सब आदमी जैसे नहीं.
Banning will only increase problems. The Mumbaikas were so used to having this light snack or breakfast, they will not be getting that. Secondly, they cannot afford to go in the restaurant to have a cup of tea or some sandwiches or something which will be beyond their pocket. The crime will increase because many of these vendors, they will not be able to do that business again. And so, the crime will increase, there will be a lot of chain snatching, lot of robberies, pickpocketing, and so no one will be safe because they have to exist somehow or the other. And so I would rather want that government should come into the picture. Government which will make a difference.
Banning is concerned because of one culprit. There are people who may be thinking of giving good things to the people. So because of him, they are suffering.
I think it has justified it. Previously, there were so many Pani Puri stalls which was run illegally. Right now, yes, some stalls are running illegally. Okay, some maximum stalls have been shut down. So I think yes, it's a good thing that happened, and you need it, okay, because those people cannot play with the life of Mumbai people. So I think yeah, it made a difference.
It was a right step. It was taken by some political leaders. I would always ask people of Mumbai not to eat unhygienic things, especially all those made by the road people.
No, it hasn't changed my view about pani puri as such, but because I still love the dish, it has changed the way I look at the place in which it is being sold, and the hygiene that surrounds the place.
The Pani Puri scandal, however, proved to be a glaring example of one rotten mango spoiling the entire basket.
मेरा है रेगुलर का धंधा, इफेक्ट तो पड़ता है. कोई भी एक गलत करे, एक तालाब में एक मछली गंदा, पूरे मछली ऊपर सबकी नजर से देखी जाती है, बराबर कि नहीं?
I think the government should create a governed body, a proper, people just need to track this illegal food stalls. Okay, they need to check it out how many food stalls that there, how many pani puris walas are there in Mumbai. They need to track down. They need to see the hygiene level. They need to see the surrounding areas. And as per those bases, they need to, renew their licenses or give the licenses to them. And if they find it little lethargic approach during this hygiene things, I think those people of BMC need to cancel their license. I think we have to be strict in this license things for this food stall, because at the end part we are suffering, not the people who are doing this business. You do the business, I'm not against the business. Okay, I'm not against the food stall, but I think if you're doing this food stalls, or if you're giving a pani puris or whatever it is, okay, just be loyal with your business, be loyal with your customers, and just treat a customer as a god, and give a product in a very good manner. I think that's what exactly I said. And I think yes, be strict with the licenses to this all food stall and pani puri stall. So I think then only there will be this place to have pani puri or any other food.
Well, the government should give a lesson on hygiene to these vendors.
Government has to take some action, but at this stage, then one more Anna Hazare has to be there. The FDI should take care of this, and the government should shut all the hawkers from the road and take care of all the items what are prepared by giving them a distinction, especially a class like A, B, C.
Government should have to understand their poverty, their uneducation. They can give them the guidelines about hygiene. They can enforce on their cleanliness, personal cleanliness, having gloves on their hands, as well as they should get a license. After every few months, a license should be renewed. And once the license is renewed, they have to show the improvement. And when this happens, naturally, people will come. And the government also should see that these places where they are located should be in hygienic condition, not near some gutters or the toilets or something. When the officers, policemen or the BMC officials, when they visit them on inspection, they should not harass them or accept bribe or demand bribe in cash or in kind. Then only the thing will work, and I'm sure the Pani Puri fellows also will understand the problem better.
In the last 4 months, measures have been taken in the city to maintain hygiene. On September 4th, 2011, young enthusiastic citizens took measures to keep Mumbai clean. Thereby, even the Pani Puri vendors are trying to take precautionary measures towards hygiene.
और ग्राहक को मैं भगवान समझता हूँ, न कोई चीज़ बाकी रखूँ। खराब होने में हमारा कटा हुआ कांदा, कटे हुए बटाटे, जैसे बॉइल्ड बटाटे, ग्रीन चटनी, पानी पूरी का पानी, ये मैं दूसरे दिन मतलब ऐसा रखता नहीं। बाकी कुरमुरा भुना हुआ है, सेव आईली है, वो भी चलेगा। एक उसी हिसाब से माल भी लाते हैं। मेरा एक ही वसूल है, जो मेरे खिलाने से आपकी तबीयत नहीं खराब हो, जो मेरे में अंदर जो आर्गन्स है आपके अंदर आर्गन्स, आप अच्छा खाते, मैं कुछ खराब खाता हूँ, जो खराब खा के मैं ऐसा हूँ, मेरे खिलाने से कहने का मतलब तकलीफ नहीं है। जो पानी मीन्स मेरे पास पिए बिस्लेरी का पानी नहीं, पानी पूरी बॉयल करते छान के लेके आते। तो हाइजीनिक में मेरे लिहाज से बात ही नहीं, ताजा रहे सब हाइजीनिक। सिर्फ तकलीफ हुई, साफ सुथरा रखो, जहाँ भी रखो उसको ढक के रखो। बाहर की चीज तो है, पॉल्यूशन वगैरह तो बॉम्बे में से खड़े तो भी पॉल्यूशन, कपड़े से ढक के रखता हूँ, ऐसे भी ढक के रखता हूँ, ग्राहक आके खोल के बनाता हूँ, बाकी इसके बाद ऐसे खड़ा रहता हूँ।
Mumbai has faced many problems in the past. But people of Mumbai have overcome these problems. Though hygiene is a matter of concern to the Mumbaikars and also the vendors, but Pani Puri is less likely to lose its identity in Mumbai city.
मैं 25 साल तक चौपाटी में खाता हूँ और वहाँ पे हमेशा पानी पूरी वाले अपने स्वच्छता रखते हैं और पानी पूरी काफी अच्छा बनाते हैं। इसकी वजह से मुझे अभी तक पानी पूरी वालों पर विश्वास हटा नहीं हुआ है और मेरा पानी पूरी वाला मुझे काफी पसंद है और चौपाटी में आज भी मुझे ये सब चीजों पर विश्वास नहीं है। मुझे अपने पानी पूरी पर काफी विश्वास है।
मेहनत, हार्ड वर्क, वही आप बियर नहीं कर सकते, बर्दाश्त नहीं करते। इज्जत जेब में जो घूमते वही नहीं बर्दाश्त, आप कर सकते हो। आप हमसे कमजोर नहीं है, या कोई भी हमसे कम कर सकता है। उतनी दूर से आते हैं, हेल्पलेस रहते हैं, कमाएंगे तो खाएंगे। 2004 में 4 फरवरी को मैं मोहम्मद कैफ में इधर भेल खिलाया, सबसे डब्बा उतारा, जा रहा था, गाड़ी रोका, कितना खाया पैसा देके। रोडे तंगड़ी मैडम इधर रहती हैं, असीम उनका लड़का है, सब खाते हैं।